News, 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 news. What's happening on the planet today? News, 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 news. What's happening with the animals today?
Before we begin today's class, let's talk about what's happening in Gaza because it's absolutely heartbreaking. Thousands of innocent Palestinians are starving. Children, mothers, entire families cut off from food, water, and medical care. It's a humanitarian catastrophe, and I want to be clear. Animal rights activists are not just fighting for non-human animals. We're fighting for all animals, and that includes humans. Humans are animals too. Our hearts break for every victim of injustice, violence, and needless suffering. We don't believe in creating hierarchies of who deserves compassion, whether it's a child in Gaza or a pig in a slaughterhouse. Suffering is suffering. And while we work tirelessly to defend voiceless animals brutalized by the meat, dairy, and egg industries, we also speak out against the cruelty being inflicted on our fellow humans. Fighting for animal rights doesn't mean we've forgotten humans. It means we've expanded our compassion to include everyone. Vegans don't steal these from animals. Their wool, their fur, their feathers, their skin, their honey, their wings, their freedom, their dignity, their families, their homes, their milk, their eggs, their flesh, their babies, or their lives. Hello students, welcome to class. I'm Miss Katie, That Vegan Teacher. I just finished a live stream over here on my TikTok channel called Music by That Vegan Teacher, and we were talking about this video, and hopefully you guys have seen it. Make sure that you have watched it before you come in to talk to me on my TikTok channel live, because it's really important that you know what's going on. It's called The Truth About the Animals You Eat by That Vegan Teacher on YouTube. It's only 8 minutes long, so make sure you go and watch that. And I wanted to also show you quickly what's on my desk before I get to the comment section, your comments. Okay, so behind the scenes here, you can see that we have all of these different cards, and these are the cards that the students read out loud. In this package here, we have 20 cards, question 1 all the way to question 20. So anytime you guys have asked me questions, I've written them down, and I made a whole series with everything you can possibly think of. Here we have questions 21 all the way to 40. And then in this package here, we have 41 all the way to 60. And over here, we have more. And remember, the students come in and they read these cards. This is like, for example, about B12. Now the questions 61 all the way to 80. And then there's more. So you get the idea. It goes on like that. Questions 100 all the way to 116 and so on. Oh, this is in the wrong spot. So let's put that over here, trying to get ourselves organized. I have all kinds of different cards here. These, for example, are the lyrics to different songs that I've sung. So if we're singing the song, I'll put the lyrics on the screen and that kind of thing. So now I just want to show you my little guys here. This is a little rabbit that I use to explain why we should not be hurting animals, and little pigs, where I explain in my TikTok live videos that pigs are murdered, unfortunately, at 6 months old. They're put in gas chambers, really sad. And the students can sort of tap on the screen, and that's a way of sending love to these little guys. We also have a little baby chick here, which reminds us not to hurt animals. And I don't know if you know, but little baby chicks are killed at just the first day that they're born. The baby boys are killed in the egg industry, and the reason they do that is because they consider them to be useless. It's really sad. They kill them, they chop them up into a million pieces just because they'll never grow up to be able to lay eggs. So that's why we are vegan, because we don't believe in hurting animals. Eggs belong to the mothers who laid them. We also have here another little sweetheart, and this one is our little cow. And remember that cows have a right to live, and they shouldn't be kidnapped from their moms. The baby cows are kidnapped and they are killed so that humans can steal the milk. Now that's not nice at all, is it? All right, so we also have a flag here. This flag represents, I know that people think of this as the gay pride flag, but I started to use it because I realized that it represents all of the different kinds of vegan foods that we can eat. You can see here that the brown part represents lentils and beans and brown rice and bread and different kinds of nuts like walnuts, macadamia nuts, and so on. And I even put an elastic here because I didn't see any black to remind us that pepper is vegan, and so are blackberries, and so on. You get the idea. So in my live streams, I might say to somebody, hey, can you think of a vegan food that starts with the letter T and it's white? Can you think of one? And it rhymes with ooh. So you guys let me know in the comments if you can think of that, okay? If you can also name different vegan foods that are red, for example, raspberries and strawberries and tomatoes. And in our live stream, that's what we do. We go through that. We talk about green foods that are healthy, like kale and broccoli. And you guys let me know in the comments if you can think of more. The only one food that we can think of that's blue is blueberries, although there are some flowers that are edible. But really, it's funny, isn't it? How many different kinds of foods there are, like so many green ones, and of yellow, there's bananas, and there's pineapple, but really only one kind of blue food. So I thought that was interesting. Now, let's take a moment to go over to my comment section. Now, my comment section is a crazy place, but we're not going to have much time to go through too many. But I will be deleting any comments that are cruel or unhelpful. So if you don't want your comment to be deleted and you want to keep contact with me, you have to educate people and talk about vegan facts that you learned. Don't be mean, okay? Let's head over there.
Call vegan. This is an animal who didn't want to die. This is vegan food, you should give it a try. This was someone's baby that should make you cry. This is vegan food, it should make you smile. It's something you should buy.
Okay, so this video here is called Your Vegan Virginity Was Stolen. Now let's look at some of the comments that we have here. Here's one that says, I had chicken nuggets, steak, baby back ribs, and Winnie. Basically, this person doesn't seem to want to be here. They're not polite, and they're talking about being cruel to animals. So what do you think I'm going to do? Do you think I'm going to bother to reply? No, I'm not. I'm not even going to give it a thumbs down. I'm going to simply tap here, and I'm going to go to a button here that says hide user from the channel. So that person, I will never be reading their comments again. They'll be able to comment, but none of us will ever see them again. So they'll be able to watch the video, but nobody will see the comment.
Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Open the vegan door.
Let's look at another one. Hi, I came from TikTok, and can I be your assistant? Oh yeah, please. My favorite vegan food is avocado. All right, so this person came from my TikTok channel and seems to want to be kind. So I'm going to give this a thumbs up, and I'm going to give it a heart, and I'm going to let that person stay. I could reply here. Let me see. If I press the reply button, I'll just write something really quickly on my computer here, like thanks. Whoops, got to get a capital letter. Thanks for being here. Period. Feel free to teach everyone vegan facts you know. So if they know anything about what a vegan food is, like she already knows about avocados, you can talk about all kinds of other vegan foods, like bananas and apples and spinach and so on. And also what veganism is. This person's also from TikTok, so that's great. I'm going to press the heart here, and I'm very happy that this person's here. I'm watching your live stream, so that's cool too. Thanks guys for coming. Thank you very much for coming from my TikTok channel. This person says, I love being vegan. Of course, we're going to keep those comments too. These are positive. This one says, I was looking at your live and I really want to talk to you. I am vegan. That's amazing. I'm going to look back, and if you have a specific question, you can ask me. Thanks a lot for being here. Another person writes, I love animals, but I'm not vegan. All right, so I would like this person to be vegan. So please go to petakids.org to learn more about veganism. Okay, I'll put a comma. Then come back to teach what, you've learned. Here we go. You see, and it's that easy.
Love animals, eat plants. Be brave, be kind, be love, be vegan.
Another person writes, "Hi, I love your videos." So this is really sweet. These are some vegan fantastic comments. These people are not cruel. They are kind. And if you want to come and see the latest video that I just put up, it's called Your Vegan Virginity Was Stolen. So you guys can come in there too. I am looking through the comments right now and I am praising the good comments. This person writes slay, which apparently means something good. And somebody writes here, "I'm on my journey." So that's great too. Thank you so much for that. Somebody says, "Vegan or not, that ego is gonna be smashed." I don't know what this means, so I'm going to leave it there. I don't know who they're talking about or what. Actually, you know what? I'm going to remove that because it really just doesn't even make sense.
Bet you can't tell which dog is vegan. Bet you can't tell. Bet you can't tell which dog is vegan. Bet you can't tell.
Why you gone vegan? Why not became meat-gan? Stop hurting plants. Okay, so this person might be Nathan. I don't know if you're a child or whatever, but your comment is not helpful. All right, so I'm going to actually hide you from the channel. So we won't need to read your comments anymore, okay? You're going to have to learn how to spell, and you're going to have to be kinder in the future. Remember, if you want to open a new YouTube account, you can do that. All right, you can come back.
No matter what your religion, no matter what your skin color, no matter if you're politically left or right, none of this should matter, because you were born vegan and you can return. You were born with empathy, and any cruel indoctrination you can unlearn. Your mother's milk was vegan, it was meant for you, and no matter what they try to tell you, remember, being kind to the vulnerable is a traditional value. Being kind to the vulnerable is a traditional value. You can be vegan again. Yes, it's true.
This person talked about eating a steak, so of course we're going to be hiding that person as well. So you guys get the idea, right? Okay, so thanks a lot for being here, guys. And if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my account over on YouTube. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.
Why aren't you vegan? I'm vegan because I don't want to hurt the animals. Because I don't need to eat them, wear them, or use them. I don't want to exploit them. That's why I'm vegan. Why am I vegan? Why aren't you vegan? I'm vegan because I don't want to hurt the animals. Because I don't need to eat them, wear them, or use them. I don't want to exploit them. That's why I'm vegan. Why am I